Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our panel. So today my teams will present our final presentation. So first project title for our project is rainwater filter and our research area is water supply. So before that I will introduce myself. So my name is Dina Sofia binti Muhammad Nazri 06DKAY1028 and my team member is Amira Shahira binti Anwar. The matrix number is 06DKA1F1022 and the last one is Rishan anak lelaki Murugan 06DKA1F1043. So our supervisor name is Dr. Zuraida binti Ahmad. So next. So here is our team member. So the first one is Rishan, the second one is Amira Shaira, and the third one is me. Next. So first we go to the introduction. As you guys know, water is very important to human and living thing. Water actually is a chemical substance that include hydrogen and oxygen. Water is odorless, colorless, and tasteless. Water is very important to solvent variety activity such as laundry, cleaning, and washing. And also the sources of water in Malaysia, as you guys know, is river, lake, and dam. And also rainwater is one of the most important water of sources in Malaysia. Because in Malaysia we receive a lot of raining because we sit in Khatulistiwa line.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Amira Syaira 06DKA19F1022. Saya akan sambung mengenai problem statement. Okey, macam yang kita tahu, kebanyakan air hujan yang ditapis digunakan untuk aktiviti seperti menyiram pokok, mencuci kereta dan tidak ditapis secara meluas. Selain itu, Malaysia sentiasa menghadapi masalah gangguan air. Dengan adanya penapis ini, memudahkan lagi para pengguna untuk membersihkan air hujan yang telah dituai agar dapat membekalkan air bersih apabila berlakunya masalah gangguan air. Oleh itu, kajian untuk menghasilkan penapis air hujan bagi menghasilkan air bersih daripada sistem penuaian air hujan adalah amat diperlukan. Objective of the project. Okey, objektif kami ialah menghasilkan penapis air hujan iaitu RLD filter yang dapat menghasilkan air bersih yang mematuhi piawaian air bersih Malaysia. Cara kami untuk menentukan kualiti air yang telah ditapis adalah dengan dua uji kaji. Yang pertama ialah physical test dan yang kedua ialah chemical test.
Hello everyone, I'm Rishan Anagil, it is from 6DKA19F1043, and now we're going to talk about literature review. As for rainwater filter are often heard but it's not widely used because it's not famous among our Malaysian, but now we are facing so many water supply crises. Therefore, rainwater can be a good supply of water. This rainwater filter is proposed by Huang YF at 2015. Second is about Concorp. Concorp has both adsorbent and abrasive properties, which can react chemically with the water, which is proposed by B. Priyadarshini 2020. Third is about moringa seed. Moringa seed powder can be used as a quick and simple method for cleaning dirty river water, and it also reacts chemically with the water, and then the water is filtered with other sediment filters. This is proposed by Moringa the Miracle Tree at 2019. As for physical, color tests are done to determine the turbidity of the water. And last, for chemical, a typical drinking water pH range differs from different purposes. Therefore, ours will be from 6.5 to 8.5.
And next we go to this slide. So this is CDIO, conceive, design, implement, and operate. So we apply this CDIO in our project to make it successfully. So first we have impact, in negative and positive way. And then we have project intern, then we have a questionnaire, and last one is poems from the user.
Okey, metodologi design produk. Macam mana filter ini berfungsi? Yang pertama sekali, ketika turunnya air hujan akan bertakung di saluran bumbung dan akan disalurkan masuk ke dalam filter. Filter yang pertama, air hujan akan lalu ialah moringa seed. Kemudian akan disalurkan kepada filter kedua iaitu concoct. Kemudian akan disalurkan lagi kepada activated carbon dan yang terakhir filter yang mempunyai pasir. Dan akhir sekali terhasilnya lah air bersih yang dapat digunakan. Next, metodologi bagi desain produk. Okey, ini merupakan filter kami. Kami menggunakan pipe PVC supaya dapat menampung tekanan air. Produk kami juga senang untuk menggantikan bahan tapisan tersebut apabila telah rosak. Okey, ini merupakan gambaran bahan yang kami letak di dalam pipe PVC tersebut. Terdapatnya pasir, activated carbon, moringa seed dan concoct.
Okay guys, now I want to talk about methodology, which is the testing. Even though we create so many products, to prove that our product is workable and functionable, a proper testing should be done. So these are some of the parameters that we use to test our sample. First is turbidity, second BOD, then COD, which is chemical oxygen demand, suspended solid, then total dissolved solid, odor test, pH, phosphorus, nitrate, and hardness. So I'm going to explain just a few of these. Turbidity is a visual that we see, which is the color of the water. Second is suspended solid. Suspended solid is a fine particles that have been found in the water. And for pH, pH is very important for domestic use. Second is phosphorus and nitrate. These are very important for human use because it can involve in physical contamination. The last one is hardness. Hardness is important, for example, like for washing clothes and other uses. And these are the equipments, sample equipments that we use to perform the testing. First is the pH meter. Second is biological oxygen demand testing kit. Third is chemical oxygen demand testing kit. And the last one is turbidity testing kit. Since these kits are quite expensive, therefore we have to send the sample to a proper lab to perform all the testing. As you can see in the first picture, the samples are placed in different beakers and been reacted with different chemicals and been stirred. This will create the suspended solid at the bottom, and that will be the sample will be taken as a result. Second is biological oxygen demand, where also the sample is being reacted with different type of chemicals and the result is taken. The third is pH chart. A paper is inserted in the sample, and the color of the sample will be determined by the pH table. And the last one is the odor test. So guys, as for the study finding, these are the water samples that have been produced by our filter. First is the raw rainwater, which is before filtered. The second one is rainwater, which is filtered. As you can see from our naked eyes, the significant changes was the color. In the first, it was a bit cloudy, and in the second photo, it is really clear. But it's not really we can't just prove by using that parameter. Therefore, it is important to send to a lab to do proper testing with a few parameters. And therefore, the result showed very significant changes in our sample, where our product has really created a clean water sample. Even though it's new to the market, therefore many other improvements can be done to our prototype.
So next slide is limitation from our product. So first, biological testing for our sample has become a limitation factor. Biomonitoring and bioanalytic need to done and only selected lab are available for the test. So, semasa kami menjalankan water testing dekat lab yang kami pilih itu, terdapat beberapa testing yang ada dan untuk biological bagi makmal tersebut tidak available. Kemudian kami cuba untuk mencari makmal yang lain tetapi sukar untuk dijumpai. Kemudian kami mengambil keputusan untuk tidak melakukan biological testing. Seterusnya, this test also require high model which has away from our giving quotation. Untuk pengaturan panel, untuk biological testing, ia mengambil kos yang tinggi. Sebagai contoh, dalam lingkungan 1000 untuk menjalankan biological testing. Oleh itu, kami tidak meneruskan biological testing kerana ia melebihi quotation daripada syarat-syarat final year project. Next, we go to the recommendation. So, the material used inside the filter can be compressed properly such as activated carbon filter. Okey, berikut gambar sebelah itu menunjukkan activated carbon yang dijual di pasaran. Sebagai contoh, ia dijual di Mr. DIY. So, kami berharap bahan-bahan yang kami gunakan tersebut dapat dikompres seperti activated carbon tersebut bagi meningkatkan efisien material tersebut. Kemudian, many more testing can be done to prove the quality of the filter sample for better using purpose. Dan kami berharap dapat melakukan lebih banyak testing terhadap sampel air kami supaya ia lebih baik sebelum ia digunakan.
Akhir sekali ialah conclusion. Memandangkan Malaysia menghadapi masalah kekurangan air, maka adalah penting untuk mencari sumber air alternatif seperti menggunakan air hujan sebagai air bersih. Berdasarkan ujian yang telah dilakukan terhadap sampel yang telah ditapis, ia telah menunjukkan beberapa perubahan yang ketara daripada sampel yang tidak ditapis. Kesimpulannya adalah penapis ini boleh digunakan pada air hujan untuk menghasilkan air bersih. Ini merupakan syarikat yang kami hantar untuk melakukan testing bagi produk kami, iaitu Air Wastewater Management Sdn Bhd. Itu sahaja daripada kami. Sekian, terima kasih.